Okay, here are some notes about Liberal Arts Math Semester 1 Quiz 3.3.3. This is about point slope form. The formula for point slope form is y minus y1 equals m, and m always represents slope, parenthesis x minus x1. And your point is x1, y1. So if you are given the point, in this case, 9 and 3. 9 would represent x1. 3 would represent y1. So if we put that in this formula, it would be y minus 3, because our y1 is 3, equals m, which is our slope, and our slope is 5, which it gave us, parenthesis x minus 9. Now, I have written here this hint. The sign will always be opposite as in the original problem because the formula is negative. So as you see, y minus y1 and x minus x1. So the reason our formula, this is negative, and the reason that your point will always be the opposite is because if the point is positive, when we insert your point in, it's going to be negative. If it's negative, a negative and a negative are going to make it positive. So for example, if we have the point -2, 4, when we put it in, our x1 is going to be 2, y1 is going to be, we'll turn it into a y1 will turn into a -4. See how our signs change? -2 turns into a +2. 4 turns into a -4. Here, -1 and -7, our signs flip to both being positive, to being y plus 7 equals 9. I just made up a slope, parenthesis x plus 1. So see how our signs flip? That can sometimes be confusing, but once you get that in your head, that will make this so much easier. Sometimes in these quizzes, it will give you a grid. It'll give you a Cartesian coordinate, and it'll give you 2 points. Sometimes you may need to answer just one for 1 point. Some you'll have to answer for 2. So in this one, this happened to give you 2 different points, and you would have to answer for both. So as you can see, -2, 4 turned into y minus 4 equals, both slopes were -4, went ahead and gave us that, x plus 2, y minus 13 equals a -4, and x minus 1, because both of these were positive.